Alright, are we live? Is there anyone in here? Let's see. We should be live. Yeah, I'm gonna have to open up the other tab because this is not gonna work. YouTube. What's up, PJ? Yeah, I'm gonna have to open up this tab to see if we're live.
Global Industrial.
We need lockers to keep our personal belongings.
What's up? How's it going, everyone? Yep, Turbo's moving. I didn't even look at Turbo today, but Turbo's moving here. Did it get listed on Coinbase already? Turbo. Yeah, let me know if the music's not too loud. Let me know you can hear me. Yeah, Turbo's looking nice here. She's almost to that penny and a half here at 15. She's at 14 at the moment. Held our support level, looking good. What's up, Cha? Chaya in the house. How's it going? Yeah, I don't like the delay on here. It's ridiculous. 15-second delay. That's ridiculous. What's up, Tom? Is there anything else moving? What is our beloved D-Gen doing? D-Gen to the moon? She's coming up a little bit. That's good to see. That's what we went over last night in the live stream. If this candle turns into a wick and we hold over the 618, then she's in real good shape here. Yeah, it looks like the correction is over. You sold your small bag of turbo coins before the first pump. I had, what is that, 500,000? You're good. It's got listed on Coinbase. Boxy, how's it going? Alright, so she's pumping. People are buying this thing on Coinbase now, huh? Yeah, Turbo is just always bullish. The whole chart, it just goes up forever. We'll see where this thing ends up, but you're coming up at your first big resistance finally. We'll see if we get stuck here. What's up, Het? How's it going? Man, we only got 8 people in here. We need to get more people in here. Everyone hit the like button. All 8 of you. Let's get the ball rolling here. All 13 of you now. What's up, GE? Yeah, I'm gonna try to stay up with the chat today. Got a little better setup here. Still not back on StreamYard, but OBS is gonna have to do. Arc Block, what is Arc Block doing? two different charts for some reason. We've been using this one, so I'm going to get rid of that one. And we'll just move this down. Don't need to see all that. Arc block doesn't look bad. I mean, it's slowly getting bought back up after the little back test. Last little chance to buy in. So just the same thing with PNG and Turbo. Once we get back over the support level, we should be good. Nice little wick forming. 181 is the price. Guess I do need to pull this up a little. So we're at 175. But yeah, nothing really to see on arc block. I mean, we had that little move out, broke the downtrend. We have this formation here that we've seen on everything. It hasn't quite broken out. So I think once we get over about 217 and even up to 261, but once we break through the formation here with the bottom and then kind of the flat top and a little pullback, back test, this is where we see these things spike up real good. So could be over 217, but first you got to get back over 181. And then maybe we'll see this thing spike up 75% to $3. But yeah, ABT doesn't look bad where it's at. Not at all. It'll move. Crazy how meme coins go up. Never got on them. It never moves, he says. Still no Dex coins? No, we can do Dex coins. That's why I didn't put a poll up. I got the Dex screener pulled up, ready to go. We're good. I saw Bitcoin's back over 100K, so are we back? Small little correction, and then Swift coin probably in the same spot. Let's see. Yeah, Swift coin's doing nothing. Zoomed out here on the weekly chart. You guys can hear me okay, huh? I turned the music up one notch from the last live stream because you said you couldn't hear it at all. But yeah, Swift coin had the move over the previous high from all the way back there, and it's over the trend, so it's in a real good spot here. So if you bought on the dip here, then we should hold over A3. And next stop up, of course, is going to be the 1272 here once again. We wicked above it, got stuck pretty much, but we should start moving up. 69% move to 1.6, a penny and a half here, and then we'll just kind of take it from there. But yeah, Swift coin's in a real good spot here. Yeah, still above the 382, so you're still technically bullish here. Ooh. You were hoping ABT would hit 20, but you don't think so. $20. Let me see, ABT. We just looked at it, but I don't even remember the prices. Yeah, if you're saying $20, our target here is all the way at the top of the fib. $32 for 17x. I mean, like I said, it's not in a bad spot here. It just formed the bottom formation that we've been watching on everything down here. And we've seen them move. So the fact that you're up here and you formed this and you just broke out and back tested, she'll run. At least in my opinion. We got Tom B gifted 1 crypto membership. I appreciate that, my man. Too bad I can't put these on the screen. I appreciate that. Oh, it tells me right there, Hamid. Hamid was gifted with the membership. Hamid's in the house. We got Shaw. Welcome back, Shaw, for 10. I appreciate that. He says bullish or bearish on ASM. Price targets for it. Goldfinch targets, bullish or bearish, and thoughts on ACH. It's taking forever and lagging big. Can it get to 10 to 15? Yeah, to answer your final question there, yes. ACH is going to get to $10 to $15. ACH is right here. I mean, not $10 to $15, 10 to 15 cents. If ACH doesn't hit my target up here at the 1272 for the 4 billion, almost 5 billion market cap, then it'll probably end up making a slightly higher high or a slightly lower high. There's no telling where, but I like 60 cents on this thing, 20x from today. And if it goes a little higher, 25 cents maybe, an 8x. But yeah, 10 to 15 cents is definitely possible. Oh yeah. I mean, if we come up to the 786 at pretty much 11.5 when we spike up, it'll easily hit 15. Bullish or bearish on ASM? Well, ASM was in that pattern, and then it broke out, and then we had the little crash here, so nah, we're bullish on ASM. We could have been more bullish if we didn't have this correction in the market. A lot of things that were moving just got, they got stuck and pulled back with the market. But you can treat this just as ABT, PNG, whatever else is out there. You broke out of the pattern. You hit the first resistance level here at 4.3, and a simple back test down to the 3.2, down to the top of the pattern here, starting to form a wick. So we're bullish here. She'll start moving back up. That's perfectly normal. I mean, even if we didn't have the market crash, the correction, this could still have played out perfectly. Breakout, back test, and then go. But I would just keep it that simple. As long as you're over 2.8, once you get over 4.3, she's going to start moving at that point. But yeah, the overall ASM, yeah, once we start moving again, she's going to move up almost 100%, up to the 618. And then the target for this one, 1272, at pretty much 70 cents for that billion market cap. Good 20x on this one. ACH, she says. I mean, GFI. Take it you're holding all these coins. GFI, the same thing here. Broke the downtrend, and it's just sitting here holding it back test. We saw the same thing, the same exact thing here on Jasmy. And we were watching Jasmy for a couple of weeks, just sitting here holding over the previous trend that it broke out of. And then we know what happened there. She just started running. So we're expecting the same thing on Goldfinch here. So at this point, off of the little back test over the 0.5, breaking the downtrend, I don't see why this thing, unless we have a super market crash or something, I don't see why this thing wouldn't bounce from here. But yeah, looking for the first resistance 36, and then moving up to the 786. An 82% move. But that's what we saw Jasmy do, like I just said, and it moved up, got stuck at that 5 penny level, and then just kind of pulled back a little again. But yeah, I like Goldfinch where it is right now. Looks good. We got Cha for 5. I appreciate that. I almost banned you. Dang it. I keep forgetting I'm not on. I can't just click on it to add it to the screen. Billy the Bear on Soul. What's up, M? ABT will hit more than $20 still early, and a lot of announcements coming soon. What's up, Head? How's Fox looking? Fox, what's up, Tom B? Oh, you're already here. Jared, T13. I think Tectum can, $200 fastest. LCX. All right, we're gonna go look at Billy the Bear. Let me look at Fox and LCX real fast here. Fox, LCX, and Billy the Bear. Billy the Bear. What is that on? Did you say? Oh yeah, Fox is in the same spot. She's looking good. She's over the 382 holding Nice looking candle here. Yeah, Fox is bullish over that 382 at 87. Next stop up for that big resistance we keep going over on Fox is, of course, the 0.5, 14 here, 57, 58% move. So when you come up here, expect resistance, but if you blow through it, then you're in real good shape. If you get above the trend here and hold, that's when you're in good shape. But 14 there is going to be heavy resistance with that previous trend, as I said, but it looks good here. Fox looks really good. Looks like it's going to continue running very soon, or continue to move. It's on Sol, okay. LCX real quick. Yeah, LCX is holding up like a champ here. Look at this. This is what we've been saying in the last, what, I guess 2 live streams, or the live stream last night, that a lot of things, after a little correction, the wicks were already forming and they're going to end up holding support. LCX is a prime example of this. Move that over a little, but yeah, little dip down and she's holding 35, so yeah, good recovery. Not looking bad at all. Now let me see here. Now I gotta try to pull this up without messing this up. Alright, deck screeners on the screen. Billy the Bear. Billy the Bear. This one came out 4 months ago. Billy the Bear. This has to be it. Oh, we got a winner here, huh? Gamble play. I don't have no money to gamble with, but Billy the Bear, 598K, 13,000 holders. So let's see here. 500,000 market cap. This thing's still down on the bottom, and it seems to be holding. So if it holds here, the only thing we can say is once this thing gets over 5017, then the bottom is confirmed in. So if you want to wait for confirmation that this is the bottom and it doesn't go lower, that would be the price to watch, and then bullish over 3.3. But yeah, I like the chart. The fact that it came out, went down, and now it's just been going sideways like this, and it's apparently holding the bottom. That's what you want to see to gamble on. Yeah, and you're down pretty much 99%. So another plus. Another plus for the gamble. And then, is it worth it? Oh yeah, 786 retracements at 29 and almost a 30x. New high on this one. Dang, 269x. Not a bad one. Not bad. Billy the Bear. That's a pretty good chart there. Now I gotta get back over to the chat. Let's see. What's up, Hoshi, Irina, Anel? What's up, CD? Yeah, I'm doing alright. Do you think, what's up, Altcoin Academy? Do you think Turbo will pull back? Well, it's at that level that we've been waiting for, the penny and a half on Turbo. So it just got listed, so you're right at resistance right now. Yeah, it's moving up. It's moved up since we just looked at it 10 minutes ago. just a hair here. So 1.5, a penny and a half here. 1414 retracement. So we'll see if it wicks above it and gets stuck. We'll see what happens, but it could very well. We'll see. But that's your resistance to watch. That's really all we can say on it right now. But how's everyone doing? We got 24 people in here with only 2 likes from my understanding. We only got 2 likes in here? Come on now. I'm trying to see what someone said. Tectum and XAI. What is XAI? Tectum. No idea what that is. Tectum. Tectum's not looking too bad. I mean, it's not looking the greatest, but it's not looking too bad because you made lower high, lower high. Not the greatest look, but you're over the 236. So really, the only thing to do with this is say, as long as you're over the 236, the macro bottom is confirmed in. If you hold that, it is also your 0.5 low high. You hit the 618, you bounced, you're back over the 0.5. Back over the 382, so you are technically bullish here over 887. You're at 942. So the big thing I would watch for is this one to get back over the 382 at 11. It needs to get back up here. It needs to break the structure that's in play. So the lower highs here is what needs to be broken. So you need the price to come up over the 382 and hold, and then you're in good shape at that point. But until then, you're going sideways and you could come down further. But you did bounce on the 618. So just like I said, keep it simple. As long as you're over this almost $8 area, 11's the price to beat. If you get over 11, you're in good shape. And then where's Tectum going? Tectum from our targets we have here. The new high 1272, 646 million market cap. If it hasn't changed, 9x up to 85. I don't know where the target is for Tectum. And then someone said XAI and something else. Oh, what happened? XAI, I would guess it's this one here. Yeah, those. I don't know if you guys watched the updates on the channel this morning, but I was going through some of the ones that we've been adding. As you can see here, A8, ALCX, API3, all of these here. I'm trying to build good charts for and get them up and going because it takes too much time when we're on live streams to do this. But what is XAI? Oh, not a bad looking chart. XAI, high to the low. Yeah, you're sitting good over the 236. It looks good here. You're curled up, holding the 236 at 29. As long as you hold that off of the little market correction, the 382 is the price to beat at 4.2. Once you get over that, where you got stuck last time, you are officially bullish, and then confirmed breakout over 75. And then this one to a new high would be an 11x to 375. XAI. Is it an AI coin, I imagine? What was the other one? Mavia. Dennis, what's going on? Happy Wednesday. I'm positive a lot of people bought back in higher this morning. Oh, yeah. Yep, everyone was bearish and they didn't buy the dip. Da Shinobi, how's it going? I hate that I don't get paid till Friday. Lumia and CRV. Yeah, we'll look at them. Yeah, I'm broke right now. I don't get paid till the 22nd. Which sucks because I hate streaming on OBS here. I got used to StreamYard. What did you say? Mavia? Someone said Mavia. Yeah, someone said Mavia got delisted. Yeah, did you see they listed, what was it? I can't remember what it was. They listed one of the meme coins on some kind of futures trading with 1000x leverage. I saw that on Twitter. I don't remember what coin it was. I don't think it was Brett. Oh, it was Peanut, I think. What am I looking for? Mavia. Damn. So what are we looking at on Mavia here? Alright, so she did hit the trend here. 786 final support, high to the low, or low to the high. Yeah, it came all the way down to that point, so that had to be it. Now you're moving up. You're over the 618. Next price to beat is 162. Oh, yeah, I remember now. We looked at this because someone said it got delisted on something, futures or something. And then we had this large move down, but it held the final support perfectly at 126, held the little trend here. And now she's moving back on up. So once you get over 162, 180 is the price to beat. We'll confirm the bottom's back in. I guess people got scared because it got delisted, huh? Bullish once you get over 254. And then this one for 4x, 200 million market cap to 660 almost. And then Mavia, new high on Mavia, 20 bucks, 2067, 650 million market cap for 13x. Yeah, T13, we just did tech them, my man. Curve, CRV. CRV. Yeah, not quite back over the 0.5 here, but still a nice looking candle wick there. Just like what we looked at a minute ago. Why is this off? I hate when these things are off like that. It's like someone moves the chart on me. Someone moved that one up and this one down. Or that one down and this one up, rather. Alright, so this candle can still get back over the 0.5 at 113. If it does that and holds, then it's in a real good spot over 113. You're currently at 109. But I would just keep it that simple. Little recovery off of the move down. You're over the 236, depending on where you want to draw it, at the 382, 840. And then here at 88. I don't know what it is, but I don't cough all day, and then when I get on the streams and I start talking, I've been coughing like crazy lately. But yeah, it looks good here. We'll see if it gets back over support. If it does, good shape. 1272 new high on this one for curve is going to be the 1272, of course, at pretty much $19 for a almost 18x. Not bad. What's up, Eldor? Turbo on Coinbase. Yep. She's coming up to resistance. We got Eldor for 5. I see what you said. $50. Have we looked at that one before? Oh yeah. Can it go to $50? This one looks like ABT. Up here with the formation at the top. Downtrend was broken. She pumped. Let's see here. She's holding over the 786. Let's move that out of the way. I don't know what that's on the screen. But I appreciate the 5. You're holding over the 786 at 364. You broke the downtrend. Next big stop up. Once you break the high, 5.8 billion market cap to 25 bucks here for a 6x. You said, can it go to 50 bucks? Excuse me. Damn. Well, the 1414 is 43. Let's see if I can pull this up. Let's see here. I'm trying to do this as quick as I can. What are we looking at? I already forgot. AKT. Oh yeah, it's already at $1 billion market cap almost. Okay. All the coins are out. That's nice to see. Yeah, I would say yeah. Because the 1414 here at 43 is a, what did I say, a 10.7 or 10.6 billion. I'll just leave 10.7. And it's already at $1 billion, so it's easily going to hit 5 billion. If it's going to be something, people are going to buy it and it's going to run. I don't know what it is. And then 43 for a 10 billion market cap. So if it goes a little above that and hits 50, so be it. Nice 10x from where you are now. 11x if it goes to 50. Yeah, I hate OBS with a passion. Alright, we can see the screen, huh? I may have to refresh the page. I saw you covered Turbo. Do you remember what the potential high was that it may hit? What's up, I farted? I see you have CTF on the watch list. Is that the CTF token being used as rewards at Walmart and Amazon? I have no idea, my man. I have a whole bunch on the list. They're on the list because I've covered them before, or we've looked at them before. CTF, Crypto Trading Fund. Yeah, I don't know what this is. We looked at it once a long time ago, probably. But she's flying right now. Whatever this is. What's up, Samurai Style? Yeah, I don't know what the deal is, T13, but we just went over Tectum. You keep asking constantly, but we went over it. Arena says H bar. turbo, how high can it go? I mean, that's anyone's guess. But the target we have on turbo, of course, is I think it's a 26 billion. These targets here. We're almost at the billion, penny and a half, and but depends on where you think it's going to go. 5 billion market cap, but you know what? I'm gonna have to clean the chart up. I'm gonna redo the turbo chart. I'm gonna redo the turbo chart just because we've had this so long. It's been so messy. These all played out already. All these lines. We're over the 1272. So if we hit this and get stuck, pull back to that, we should hold, and maybe we get through here. But I would like to add the new fib here. But maybe it hits 5 billion. But could hit 26 billion, 40 cents, and from where we are today, 28.5x. I mean, this thing is so bullish right now, the whole chart. You know, if it stays up here for the next couple of months and we flip real bullish to where everyone piles into crypto and everything starts to go vertical, people know about Turbo. Turbo's been one of the best performing videos on my channel, you know, over the last year. So Turbo will just go vertical with a God candle. So 40 cents, I guess. XCN, someone said. Yeah, someone said swell earlier. What is swell doing? Swell. Damn, what is swell doing to me? What is this? What is this? Alright, so just looking at it simply on the daily chart, you're sitting above the 236 here after the move down. So keep it simple. As long as you're above 3.5 pennies here, bottom is confirmed in. Next stop to beat is 4. Yeah, she had a little meltdown here. Made a lower low. So you broke the structure here. You broke the uptrend, came down, lower low. So yeah, just you have to stay over this to confirm the bottom. If you fall below that, it's going to go potentially make a new low. But once you get over 4, you are bullish again, and of course you can clearly see 618. Once you get over 5 pennies, this whole move down is officially over, and you can move up. And then swell, I don't know if we have a target for swell on here, do we? No, I guess we do. Top of the fib for swell, almost $1 billion market cap to $1, 25x. That sound about fair? Damn, I gotta quit pulling that down. Every time I pull that down, I think the screen goes dark. What's up, Johnny? Muffin Man, how's it going? GRT, H-bar, she says. OTK, what is that? OTK. But yeah, XCN. Yeah, XCN's another one. It still has a chance to get bought back up over the 236 here. But overall, you know, it pumped up, got stuck. Market corrected a little bit, so she pulled back. So the price to get over is, of course, the 236 at 26. And you're over the 382. You see it's a double 236 here. Excuse me. But yeah, you held up nicely. You're moving back up already. As long as you're over 2-1. Yeah, you're holding perfectly here on this new candle. So it looks good. Like I keep saying, nothing to worry about, nothing to see here. Little dip, still holding structure, still looks good. Once you get back over 2.6, bottom is in. Big resistance to watch on XCN is going to be the 382. You can see the trend and the, of course, 59382 level there. So about 146, 47% move up. once we start moving again, but expect resistance there. Unless you blow through it, if XCN gets over 5.9, over the 3.2, gets over the trend here, then there's nothing really to say. You're in real good shape at that point. It'll probably never come back down until the bull market's over. And then, of course, XCN, we like XCN for all the multipliers now that we're sitting where we're sitting. 618 retracement is very possible in a bull market. People seem to like XCN. The XCN videos do very well. So 618 retracement is probably a real good target, up to 2 pennies, almost a 9x. And then the 786 retracement is probably still a real good target, 1.7 billion market cap for a 24x almost, or 23.5x. And then for those who believe in XCN, 88 new high, 1272, 27 billion market cap for 350x. That is a large move. OTK. Yeah, I'm trying to keep up here. Trying to do better today and keep up. But you guys are going to ask for all the coins in the world. Please hit the like button for me at least. Like, share, hit the buttons, hit the notifications. Octo Gaming, is this what you're talking about? We've never looked at it before. OTK, let me make sure that's what you said. OTK, and then we'll do GRT and H bar, unless I forget. But yeah, I guess this is what you're talking about. The only chart they have is a KuCoin chart, so it's a KuCoin gamble play. I missed the days when I could use KuCoin and Mexi. High to the low, came up, hit the 786, got stuck, 0.5, you're holding, you're going sideways, so it doesn't look bad here. You could even argue this is our little formation being formed here, and she's about to start pumping. But Octo Gaming, no idea what this is, but once you hold what you're holding over the 0.5 at 18, price to beat is 4 pennies. Once you get over 4 pennies, next stop up is 12. Nah, not a bad move. This thing's going to move up 275 or 274% or 263% or 64% rather. Jeez, not bad. Wow. Is this thing going to make a new high off of the scam wick? What are we at? 3 pennies? Is this thing going to hit $3 and do 100x? I don't know what this is. It's on the list now, so I'm gonna go look into it off stream. A 90x to $3, which it's not holding up bad at all. Is that possible? Is this the right one? Gaming coin on Solana. Yeah, just let me know, was that the right one I looked at? Because this one doesn't look bad at all. I don't know if you guys can hear the cat meowing. I'll be right back. I gotta go let the cat out. All right, what I miss? All right, you said yeah. You're hoping for 500 to 750 million market cap. I'm gonna write that here on the side of the chart, so when I go do, I'll remember that's what that is. That's what you're looking for. So I'll do an update on it, just because I like the chart here. We'll see what happens. Um, T13, you're killing me, my man. You must have missed Tectum when we went over it. Tectum is over the 236 at 8. As long as you're over 8, you are good here. The one concerning thing we went over is the lower highs it's making. So it needs to get over the 382. It needs to break these lower highs. It needs to break this bearish structure on top here. Overall, on the bottom, you're curled up here. You made, a slightly higher low, so you're good. So the big thing I would watch, as long as you're over 8, you're at 942. If you get over 11, break the structure here, you're in good shape. But it does not look bad off of the wick that it has, and it held support perfectly here off of that wick. So it looks good with that candle there. So those are your prices to watch. Bullish over 19, or not bullish, but breakout over 19. And then this one, 646 million market cap to 85 would be a 9x. GRT, not looking bad. Same thing. A big wick forming on the candle. Off of the bottom formation. Let's see here. I mean, you're bullish over the 382. Getting stuck at the 618 or 786 here. Yeah, you're just about back over the... You're right at it. Excuse me. At 28. So it looks good here. It looks like you're holding high to the low back over the 618 at 28. So that moved down and over, and the pattern is officially over. We dipped down one last time, but it's holding. It looks good. So over that price, that should send the price of GRT up to the 0.5 at 386, and about a 39% move. And then once you get over that, you can look at the other prices to the upside here. Man, this cat is annoying. But yeah, GRT, the overall chart held. It's curled up here. It's time to go make a higher high once it gets another leg up. So off of this high here, it's probably coming up to hold the 618 higher high, and then we'll see what happens over 62. So if that's the case, about 100, if I can get this to work, 118% move here. And then GRT 786 retracement is a 4.5x to an 11 billion market cap to 120, and then GRT to an 81 billion market cap, 30x to 860. Jeez. Let's see. Yeah, I don't like this non-StreamYard stuff because I can't check. Michael says DJ in a good entry point right now, or will it find its way back down? There's no telling. If it gets back up over the 618, I believe it is, on that wick, on that candle that's forming now, then it's in good shape, just like we looked at it last time. We'll go over it probably again in a minute. No, we did not do Moonwell. CKB says Hoshi. Let's see here. Someone said something else. I think I skipped over it. But yeah, hopefully you finally got Tectum there, my man. Lumia. What is Lumia? That's the one I skipped over. We got Dash Shinobi for 10. I appreciate that. Dang, I almost banned you too. I appreciate the 10. Thank you for your hard work and patience. LOL. I appreciate that. Now I forgot what I was looking at. CKB Moonwell. What's up, April? LCX, she says. Yeah, we looked at LCX, but we'll do it again. Alright, getting behind here. Lumia. No idea what this one is. Lumia. Oh, it's on crypto.com. Oh, we'll just do the Binance chart. And we're adding to the list here. We're like adding. Is this something new? Lumia, Tether, KuCoin. There we go. Gate.io chart's probably better. Alright, we'll stick with the Gate.io chart. This one's just curled up. I don't know if we can say anything on it. Yeah, I pretty much got stuck at the 1272 here. Dang it. Ugh. And you're above the previous high, so as long as you're above 176, once you break over 211, you should start moving at that point. But this seems to be newer and just a very bullish chart that's curled up here. Yeah, if it wasn't for this, it probably would have kept going here. But once you get over 211, 232 is next for a 13% move, and then 1618 at 266 for about a 30% move. And then this one, since we don't have much to work with, it'll probably go all the way to the top of the fib here at 15 bucks. So a 7x on this one. It'll have to be another one I'm going to have to build a chart for, I guess. Yeah, you guys are asking for way too much. Come on with the spam. Yeah, I see what you're saying, Jeffrey. How's it going? DGen, just quit spamming, please. What's up, Flip Coins? Lumia is an RWA token, kind of like Ondo. Okay. What's up, Charles? Yeah, there's just too much here. You guys are nuts. I can't remember what we were going to look at. We looked at, I'll just go to Moonwell. DGen and Moonwell. But yeah, someone asked for an entry on DGen earlier, and then we got spamming DGen. DGen just zooming back out. Weekly chart. It's doing the same exact thing it did last time. Last time we got over the 382, we were holding up bullish pattern over the 382, macro bullish, and we took off, and we were pretty much screaming that it's about to go. Same thing here. This wick is getting bought back up slowly. Once we get back over the 618 at 17.9, and this holds up just like all of these other weekly candles, I'm going to start screaming again, which we're saying now, that it's about to blow again. And then we're hoping this thing comes up to test the high, almost a 300% move, so a 4x out of this pattern, out of this bull flag. If not, a 90% move to 3 would be your first target. Once you get back over 17.9, 3-1's your price. But But that's all I need. I just need DGen to 2 or 3x for me. I don't want to be so depressed. And then Well's in the same exact spot. Overall bullish charts curled up here, held the 618 at 5.6. It still looks good here. And then let's zoom this thing in. Let's just go to the 3-day just so you guys can see a little bit better. But Moonwell, if we go high to the low, she's getting stuck right at the 618 pretty much. We're above it now in this candle, so that's good. Which we were here, but then we know what happened. So if you can stay over 8.3, you're at 8.4, you're in good shape. This little move down is officially over that. And then once you break over 9.5, where this wick got stuck, that'll send the price up to the 786 finally at 12.6 on Moonwell. And move up 50%. But the overall chart does not look bad here. Just a simple pullback. It held support perfectly. And she's starting to move back up after the little correction. And then Moonwell, where's Moonwell going? Moonwell to the new high, 4 billion market cap is a decent 15x to $1.30. And then we have about 260 here for a 7.7 billion market cap for pretty much a 31x. And then a 20 billion market cap, if that's possible, that would be your moonshot. That's a massive move, 82x up to the 1618 at 690. But I would take a 15x on this thing. Where you see a cup and handle on DGen. Oh, I didn't even see that. Yeah, looks like it. But everything's forming the same thing. Everything looks the same. Things that went down like this, now they're all curled up. I guess if you want to say large cup and handle, then yeah. So what would that be? Some hopium inside the candle? That would be to there, wouldn't it? No, there's some hopium for you. We're about to blow out of here and hit the 1272 up to 16. About to do a 10x. There's your hopium on DGen, huh? Realistically, yeah, that first target I set on well, that 15x, that's the realistic target. I mean, if you're not happy with a 15x, then oh yeah, April said LCX. If I skipped over something, I apologize. I'm doing my best here. I appreciate you guys coming in here. Just don't take advantage. Yeah, we looked at LCX earlier. It's still getting bought back up here, so there's still a really good chance here, April, that LCX gets bought back up over the 786 at 3.5. There's 4 days left on this candle, and it's been just going up. So if you end up holding with this candle over this level at 3.5, she's in real good shape. Nice recovery here. Nice move, nice recovery. We called this a while back after being not sure what LCX is doing. We finally zoomed out, found that this was the bottom and she's going to go up. She went up and she's about to hold the 786 and look good here. She'll be in a good spot. And then once you break through the previous high, 1272 is up next. But yeah, it came up here simply this high back here and got stuck. So once you get over this level here, which I could just simply draw. So if you get back over this and you hold and you get over that blue line there at about 40. LCX over 35, you're good. Over 40, that's extremely good. Uh, yeah, we did Fox. Fox looks good where it is. I mean, nothing looks bad. Oh yeah, did we forget H bar? Yeah, we forgot H bar. Poor old H bar got left behind. Yeah, some of these on the chart on the list here I haven't even looked at in forever. We just have the list. H bar's in the same boat as LCX and everything else. There's still plenty of time for this weekly candle to get bought back up and hold. We looked at something earlier that it's a large green candle with a little tiny green body and it's holding perfectly on the support. So that could kind of tell us what everything's doing here. So if you get over 31 on H bar, you're in real good shape over that. And that's really all you can say. I mean, if you bought H bar down here or down at the bottom, on the bottom formation that we looked at on everything, hopefully you took profit up here. I honestly don't know how much further this thing can run. For an old coin, we do have the target here, so another 4x to a 46 billion market cap to the 1272 123 there. Wes, what's going on? We just did swell. You guys are gonna have to rewatch or rewind. Seems like we've looked at 1,000 coins already. Yeah, and I don't even know how to scroll back on here to see if I even covered all the super chats. Uh, H bar is a BlackRock coin. Is it? In the future, I mean, I guess these things are going to be something and be, if you think you're going to hold long term, I guess. Like XRP, I mean, we've been saying $5 on XRP forever. Well, 5 and then probably 8. So maybe XRP is going to $8. No telling on these things. But we're just trying to figure out this cycle because once this cycle is over, everything is wherever it is, it's going to drop 190%, 99%. So if H bar goes to that, or if XRP hits $5 or $8, it's going to drop 99% from that point. Yeah, we should have just all bought MOG coin. It's been going up forever. Very bullish looking chart. Still in the same spot from whenever we was screaming go to the moon. When we had this large green candle spawn in. Didn't have much of a move down. But you're stuck just below the 2618 at 4.1. Once you break over 4.1, next stop up on MOG is potentially 9.6. Almost a 200% move from where you are right now. Once you break over 4.1. Where can you buy MOG at? But yeah, keeping it simple, low to the high. If you can see that, as long as you're over the 236 at 2.6, you're good. You're at 3.3. Yeah, I would just keep it that simple. Overall, good looking chart. Does not look bad for MOG here. She's probably going to continue to run. I need to go do an update on MOG, I guess. MOG. Is MOG hitting a 50 billion market cap? Like, if Pepe hits 100 billion market cap, then MOG here, 47x, 58 billion, top of the fib, 3015. Well, yeah, well. Yeah, you said realistically on well. Yeah, like I said, realistic would be the 4 billion New high here at 130. Yeah, we look at so many coins, it's hard to keep up and remember what we say about them, because sometimes we go, a little deeper in, and like you asked for flow, can it hit a new all-time high? Let's see what we have on the chart here. We try to leave the realistic targets on the chart, but you're below the 236 formation, hit the resistance perfectly at 118, pulled back, but you said can hit an all-time high, but we're going to cover the bases here. Yeah, you're over the 382 at 85. You need to get over 99 on that wick and that candle, and then you're good to go. Push through 118, but all-time high for this one, I don't know what the market cap is. 10.7 billion, 618 retracement in a bull market is probably likely. 7.5x, and then a 16.5x on this thing to a 23.5 billion market cap. 786, 1570. But can it hit all-time high? I don't know. Yeah, and I don't like the lag on here. There's a 15-second lag from OBS to YouTube. That's why all you guys are behind. Makes me grumpy. Flow. I'm trying to see what Flow's market cap is. Give me a moment. If you haven't already, hit the like button, of course. Based Pepe's up 50%. Fart coin, whatever that is, up 50%. Is Flow the one connected with AMP? What was the one? I keep trying to remember what is connected with AMP. There was always these two coins. Alright, Flow's at a 1.5 billion market cap already. All the coins are out. Yeah, I like the 786 retracement here. Definitely going to hit a 618, and then I like the 786. Maybe it goes a little above it, but 16x on Flow. What's up, Tim? Wes, yeah, we did swell. Coinbase, you can buy Mog Coin. Okay. Yeah, I couldn't remember if they listed it or not. But yeah, we end up doing coins multiple times. I don't know, you said swell, not well, huh? Because we've done well multiple times. Here's the second swell update. Man, that's unfortunate. I deleted it and re-added it, so now it's at the bottom of the chart. Swell doesn't look bad. It had melted down. It made a lower low, so the big price to watch and hold on Swell is 037 here. Must hold. If you lose that, made a lower low, you could come down and hit the low and hit a lower low. So just keep that in mind. You have to hold 37 and you have to break over 4 pennies. If you get over 4 pennies, you're back to being bullish. Big price to beat is a 618. Once you break these highs back here, get that structure back in play and get over 5, you're in good shape at that point. On Swell here. I have no idea what Swell is, by the way. Swell to almost $1 billion market cap, almost to $1. Top of the fib is a 25x. I know it's on Coinbase. The whole chart you can see has done nothing. So we'll see what happens when it runs. But I haven't seen it run yet. File and GST. Filecoin. We had two file charts. I'm gonna have to delete one of those. Alright, so I guess we're looking at the Coinbase file charts. We'll delete the other one. Filecoin, same thing with all of these older coins. They wick down, they move down, they're wicking back up. If over the next 4 days you get back over 7, you're good. If this turns into a giant wick and you hold, you're good. Doesn't look bad off of the buyback. And you came down, hit the 382, you're back over the 236 at 661. 664 is where you're at now, so it doesn't look bad. $7 is the price to beat. And then once you get over 1380, you are technically macro bullish on Filecoin. Let me bring something up. Was it Filecoin or VeChain? Something I read about oracles or something. I don't remember what it was. Oh no, it wasn't Filecoin. But Filecoin, older coin, 618 retracement, 24 billion market cap, 6x to 40, and then about 90 bucks, 53 billion, 786 retracement for 13x. So 23, 40, and 90. G-File. I forgot about games for a living. I forgot about gods. Yeah, but GST still in the same spot. Every time we look at it, it's still stuck between the still stuck between below the downtrend. And then if we go high to the low, our green box that held, you can see we're above the 236 here. So short term bottom is in over 19, and the 382 trend line here is where you got stuck at 2.8. So that's the price to beat. Once you get over that, you're in real good shape. So once you get over the trend in the 2.8 here, that's going to send you up to the macro 236 at 4. Once you get over 4, macro bottom is in, and then GST bullish over 12. GST is another good one, because in a bull market, if it only comes up and say does a 0.5 retracement up to 28, it's a 13x. 382 retracement where I got stuck back here at 12 is a 5.5x. 618 retracement, a billion market caps, almost a 30x on this thing to 65. That's probably where I would get out of GST, a 618 retracement. I would take that. And then you can see a 786 retracement. If you think it's going to hit $2, a 4.4 billion market cap, that's a 100x from today on green Satoshi token here. So I don't know about that. Is there anyone live today? Yeah, and for you guys that come on, I don't know who it is, but you come on for anyone that comes on the videos that are on the channel, I am slowly working through the bots. The last time I messed with the bots and was banning things and trying to clean up the chat, I don't know if you guys were here for that, but do not report the bots. Do not do anything to them, because last time I got flagged and the algorithm thought my channel was botting my own videos. So when you put these words into the banned words things, and you ban these bot, because they'll come on, they'll come in and comment for just like 5 seconds on your video, and there'll be 100 people liking and replying to their little thing. All those bots come in with a matter of seconds, And then when you take those off of your channel, all of a sudden, all of those views, all of that stuff goes off of your channel. So the algorithm sees that as, oh, this dude is botting his channel. And that's what happened to me last time. They banned me. They stole 58% of my revenue. And it took about 4 months for it to come back to where it needs to be. So just so you guys know, anyone on there, let me deal with the bots. If you can't handle it, then I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, someone said on one of the videos earlier, he took away his like on the video until I do something about the bots. I'm gonna ban that fool. Still haven't banned anyone. I'm ready to ban. I'm ready to put someone in timeout. Where's old boy that lied about the money? It's time to ban. We got Saul for 1 gifted membership. I appreciate that. Glaze got the membership. So make sure you tell Saul thank you. I appreciate that, my man. Charles says did you do Doge Jones? Is that a thing? On Soul? No, we didn't. So like Dow Jones Industrial Average, but Doge. Let's see here. What's the ticker? Is that just the whole ticker? Let me know what the ticker is while we look up Myria. Myria. Oh no, Myria for 0. Yeah, I gotta get this list over to the other one. Myria doesn't look bad here. We don't have anything on the chart. I know what Myria is though. But Myria, yeah, she already came up to the 1272 new high area. Double topped and then went to 0. What's your price target for Myria? Whoever asked for that. But it doesn't look too bad here. The market moved down. You're holding the 0.5 at 3.2 with a wick. Price to beat is 4.1. Excuse me. And if it wasn't for this little crash we had, you were kind of bullish here. Double bottom with a slightly higher low, so that's bullish. So if we wouldn't have crashed here, you probably would have held the 618 and we would have moved up more. But not the worst looking chart on Myria. Nice formation there. Over the 0.5. Once you get back over the 618, 786 is next at 5.8. And like I said, I don't have any idea where this one's going or the market cap. But a 74% move up once you get over the 618. But you made a higher high, so that's good. Myria's at 003, so is this one of the ones? Oh no, it already tried to hit a penny. 3 pennies would be 9.5x on Myria. Yeah, I'll go look at that Doge Industrial in just a moment. We hardly ever look at Dex Screener coins anymore. That's all we used to do at the beginning when we first started streaming for like the first month. But then we lost all our money, so I guess that's what happened. Pepe. Oh yeah, I forgot about Pepe 2. Oh, Pepe 2's not doing anything yet. Not a bad looking chart though. Yeah, Pepe is just overall bullish here. The only really thing we can do here, you're above the 1618 coming up to the 2 at 3.5. Low to the high. Yeah, these candles are sitting pretty over that. So as long as you're over 19.9 here, you're at 2.4. I would say she's bullish here. Unless she wanted to Zoom all the way into the very short-term price action here. Yep, sitting on the 382. 382 held, and you're back over 236 here at 25. But not looking bad. There's nothing at all on the Pepe chart. Next stop up for Pepe. 40% move almost. Come on. But Pepe here. Is Pepe going to hit 100 billion market cap? That's my question. 302, 113 billion would be another 10.5x on this thing. Yeah, isn't Pepe at a 15 billion market cap, or am I thinking of something else? Yeah, Tim, we already did XCN. Last time for XCN. Next person that asks is going into timeout. That's the way it is. XCN's below the 236. You could still get bought up as long as you get over 26. The bottom is confirmed back in here. It probably would have held if it wasn't for the little correction. Bottom formation, we know. We were watching XCN forever here. I wanted to get in. I couldn't get in. And she moved. She is still good over the, below the 236 here. But if this candle gets bought back up and you get over 2.6, like I said, bottom confirmed in, about a 9% move. Big resistance here, 382 trend, 150% move to 5.9. And as you guys already know, we like this one because it has a lot of good potential multipliers. If you're a moon boy, new high 88, 27 billion, 350x if you think it's 88 cents is possible. 786 retracement, a 23x to 1.7 billion market cap to 5.5, and then we have 2 pennies 618 retracement for a 9x up to 2. If I bought on an XCN down here, I would probably get out at the 618 retracement and get my 9x, because down here when we were looking at it, that was about a 17x. Let's see. Oh. So deck screener for the win. We're going back to deck screener now. Oh yeah, Billy the Bear. Billy the Bear is a good one if it's going to hold up here. So he said Doge. This one here, huh? 2 months old. DJI. Yeah, this is the right one, huh? Yeah, it could be a good play. She's waking up here again. You clearly see it held the uptrend. The only thing we're going to do on this one, let's see, we're on 3-day. Let's go to daily so we can have a little bit more to look at. But, yeah, the only thing I'd do on this one is go. We'll just do this. Keep it simple. Yeah, you're right at resistance right now at 3.4. If you can get over 3.4, the bottom is confirmed in here. Does not look bad at all chart wise. Bullish over 4.5. And then this one, yeah, could be a good play on Solana. 3 million market cap, 8x to a new high at 0.26, 2.5 pennies. So many good plays on Solana though, it's just ridiculous. Or potential gamble plays, you get the idea. Yeah, I have to go switch that off before I go back over to the chat, because then we'll get exposed. Sub D Crypto. Oh, we only got 19 people in here 85 minutes ago. Let me refresh. Alright, we got 37 likes. Alright, that's better. I appreciate you guys hitting the like button. Man, you guys come in late all the time. Alright, so yeah, we just did Miria like 3 minutes ago. But since it's over here with Ondo, yeah, Miria doesn't look bad. Double bottom pattern. It just made a higher high. Market corrected, so we pulled back, or else it probably would have stayed bullish and kept going off the double bottom here. Not a bad looking chart. You're over the 0.5 at 3.2. Price to beat is 4.004. Once you get over 0.004, you'll have a nice move up on Miria. 786 retracement to 0.005 and move up about 75%. And then Miria to 3 pennies. We were just kind of guessing 9.5x. I don't know what the target is for this one. Ondo looks extremely bullish here. Nice looking candles and wicks. You're over the previous high. But yeah, Ondo is going to be a real good play, I think, this cycle. Yeah, you're over the previous high, over the 236. Nothing to see here. As long as you're over 148, 150, you're good. Price to beat is 2. Once you get over 2, then to the moon you will go. But if you're holding Ondo, you probably know about the unlocks in January, which wherever the price is, I keep saying this, it will dump a little bit, but overall it's not going to matter. The price of Ondo is still going to go up. Go do your own research on it, because I did my research and I am bullish on Ondo. I think Ondo is going to be something. My target for Ondo is $17 to $20. We do have this target here at $18 billion, $13. Maybe a target to get out a 7.5x from where you are. But then a 10x to a $25 billion, $17. Which, let me fix this real quick. So 17 for 25 billion and then 20 bucks here. I like $20. 30 billion market cap, 20.5 for a 11.5x here. And I think there's some people thinking $25 plus, so that would be 14.5x to 25. But yeah, I like that target for Ondo. What's Citus? Citus, let's see. Yeah, we've looked at Fox a couple of times. Fox is holding up. Citus, he says, but just for shadow, coming out of the shadows. Fox, yeah, Fox is holding over the 382. Simple move back down, back tested it, held the triangle pattern perfectly on the top. You're back over the 382 at 85. Big resistance to watch is 14 at the 0.5. The trend and the 0.5. If you can get over that, you're in real good shape at that point. But it's bullish. It looks good here. Citus, this. What is Citus? Another gaming coin? She's curled up. Yeah, doesn't look bad. You're over the 382, sitting real good over 006. You're at 007 at the moment, so you are bullish. Nice formation, and you're moving up, making higher highs. It's just coiled up right now, curling up. Next price to beat, as long as you're over the 382.5 for another 55% move up to 1 penny. And then we go high to the low. Yeah, you're over the 618 at 6.7, so you're good. Looks good. And then breakout over 2. And then where's this one going to end up? Wow. 786 retracement to 5.8. Excuse me. Like I said, I don't know what this one is. I'm going to have to build a chart for this one too. Jeez, a new high on this one. 120x almost. Up to 90 cents. We haven't been on quite 2 hours yet, huh? I hate that I have to scroll all the way back through here to see, make sure I covered all the super chats. And then it doesn't even let you scroll all the way back up. What's the deal with that? But yeah, how you guys doing today? What's up? What's up with Tilk? I don't know if I missed you in here or not. Oh, I saw you. That's right. You said the cup and handle. Uh, Flip coins. I missed you in here. He said seller network. Seller network. I think I saw you come in, but I didn't see you say that. Yeah, seller network's in the same spot. It looks like this wick is going to get bought back up and hold over the 382 at 2.7. So if that's the case, you know, you're in real good shape. After the dip down, it's still very strong holding up here. Doesn't look bad. Big price to watch, of course, is going to be the 0.5 at 4 and the trend here. Once you get over 4 pennies on seller, you're in good shape at that point. But the fact that it's getting bought back up, all these coins, you know, things look real strong here. We could not let the bears defeat us. So this one, 2.7 billion market cap, 1272 new high at 48, maybe 49 pennies is almost an 18x. That's not bad. But she's looking good. She's probably going to hold over this, and then 4 is the next big target to watch. Is there anything moving or running today? Anything happening at all? Bitcoin dominance is still looking good here. Alt season's about to kick off, everyone. Are you guys ready? I was hoping it wouldn't kick off till springtime, but yeah, Turbo's trying, but she's just not getting there. Oh, Bitcoin's at 101. Does not look bad at all. Look at these weekly candles. This looks bullish as hell. Oh, look at that 1 minute candle to the moon. We're going to the moon. Everyone scream to the moon. What is this? Why is there an ad on here? Alright, we got 20 people still left in here. I'm gonna go get a drink. I'll be back in a couple minutes. 21 people in here. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate you guys being in here. Try not to go anywhere, but if you have to, hit the like button on your way out. I will be right back. I gotta go let the cat in, and I gotta go get a drink. And we'll see what else we can look at here. Still pretty early, not even 2 hours in yet. I will be right back, everyone. All right, I'm back. Are we still here? Are we still here? All right, we still got 20 people in here. We didn't lose anyone. How's it going? What's up, Barry? What's up, Charlie? How you doing? Yeah, we're back on deck screener. I got it set up. Yeah, is the music too loud? Here, turn it down another notch. Sounds like it's too loud to me. Phantom. We only have one Phantom chart. Oh, we're on the 1 minute chart. No wonder. Phantom doesn't look bad here. You're still holding over the 618. Nice looking little wick there. Just like the rest of the market, as long as Bitcoin behaves, we should be good. You're over the 236, over the 618 at 108, you're good. Price to beat is 180. Almost a 50% move up to that level. And then Phantom to a new high now is about a 6.5x to a 22 billion market cap to about $8. Uh, hot, please. Hollow chain. Music is mute. Oh, you can't even hear the music? I hear it in my headphones loud and clear. Alright. Turned it up from 2 to 4. Now someone tell me what's the music like. I just want you guys to be able to hear a little bit of background music without it being ridiculous. What's up, Flip Coins, Billy? Hot hollow chain. What is that? Oh, we've looked at this one before, huh? This is it? Oh man, this is an old one. Jeez. I haven't looked at this one in years. Same thing on this one. Same market structure form. Same move up. High to the low. You're just below the 382. But you are moving up on this candle, so maybe by chance it gets over 0036 here. But it's doing like the rest of the market. Everything did the same thing. You're above the 236, so as long as you're over 30, you're bullish. You're at 32, 36, and then you're macro bullish, and then breakout over 008. And then this one, let's see what kind of multipliers it gives us. All right, so this one to a new high. If you think it's going to 8 pennies, nice. 26x from where you are now. It hasn't really done anything yet. It's still just down here doing nothing. So that's the kind of chart you want to see. If you believe in the project, you think it's going to be something, then potential new high in play. Yeah, we still here? Alright, so Billy for flip coins. Yeah, these coins will start running at some point. Well, the good news is you're still over the 236 here. Yeah, the overall chart on Billy, you're making higher highs, higher lows, so the price, the whole thing is curled up here. So it should hold over 289 here. 236. It's already getting a little bounce. It didn't even quite touch it yet. Back over 4.2, you're back to being bullish. And then when this one comes up and makes a higher high, once again, 786 retracement, it should do a 4x. Like it did here to come up to a new high and then another new high. But yeah, the overall Billy chart does not look bad. Billy's going to be a winner. New high on this one is a 14.5x. You have to switch it off every time I go back over to the chat. ABT, yeah, we looked at ABT a couple of times. ABT's in a good spot. Arc block as the wick forming here. You're back holding the 2272. You broke the downtrend. I mean, there's nothing really to see here. You can see the simple back test off of the little correction we had. It's going to run eventually. So as long as you're over 181, you're in good shape here. The same bottom formation that we've been watching on everything down here from the high down and it just bottomed out, that's formed all the way up here. So once this thing starts running again, of course, the next stop up is about a 62% move to 3. And then the 3618, 7x to 13. And then the target we have is the top of the fib here. A little over a 17x to a 3.1 billion market cap to 32. But it's in a real good spot. The fact that it broke and back tested. Broken back tested. It's just normal behavior. At some point it'll go straight up. We got flip for coins for 10 for the super sticker. I appreciate that. What is that, a super pair? I appreciate the 10, my man. I can finally see the super stickers now. Even though I don't like being on OBS. Are you still holding used car, huh? What time is it? 4. Yeah, we'll get a whole new batch of people after 5, and they'll ask for all the same coins all over again. What's Arrow doing? Arrow's holding up real well. Arrow's still curled up here, looking good. Ada looks like she wants to get bought back up over 113 and hold the 618, looking good. But yeah, I mean, it's not hard to go over to Deck Screener. I just got to make sure I click the right button on OBS Studio. Used car. I still think used cars are going to be a good play. It's just it's not there yet. Yeah, low to the high. You're still above the 786, down below the 236, so that should be it. As long as you're above 48, that should have been the bottom. Once you get back through 73, bottom is back in, and then 13, you're back to being bullish. And if it's going to try to hold the curl up here, higher low, next higher high should send you up. I guess we went over this last time. 10x, 11x, 12x, almost a 13x. Higher high when this thing comes up to the 786 retracement at 7.3. So that's kind of what we're looking for here. On that final support, and then once you grind your way up, a new high, and then it'll pull back again, and then until it goes to the moon. But yeah, I can see that happening. Yeah, there's so many good plays on Solana. Yeah, and I can't even scroll back up in the chat. This is unfortunate. You can only scroll so far. Why is that? And then it freezes. Yep. Not a problem, Brian. I'm trying to get this to get back to the... There's more comments, but I can't see anything. It's not letting me. Oh, we got Brian. Welcome to the Horde, my man. Welcome in. I appreciate that. Brian C. Yeah, I don't even know how many members we have. I need to go look at that. And yet again, not a lot of people here watching the stream today. Like I said, is there other people streaming? Who do you guys watch? Wow, my computer is starting to lag. I don't know why. Let me move it around a little bit because it's very hot. Yeah, I'm trying to see who's streaming, what people are saying. Yeah, my computer is on fire right now. I gotta get into the laptop. This is ridiculous. This thing runs so hot when we're streaming. Damn. I can't even touch the bottom of my computer. It's so hot. We're lagging out. Come on now. Stream must be over because we're lagging out. Hopefully we're still live because I don't know what's happening here. Trying to get back over to the chat, but it's just taking forever. How long we been streaming now? 2 hours. Only 13 people in here. I may end the stream and come back in a little bit because there's just no one here. Cryptos are us, but he streams around 8:30 a.m. Discover Crypto morning stream as well. Should I try to stream in the morning and compete with other people? It just depends. I mean, sometimes I stream. We streamed one time late, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and it did pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give the computer a break and just look for a pop-up stream. I don't know how long it'll be, but we'll pop up a stream after 5 sometimes. So if you guys want to come back. Yeah, it's my computer. My computer's overheating. It's loud. It's old. The bottom of it's so hot I can barely touch it. Give this thing a little bit of a break. And then we'll get some new people in here in a couple hours, I guess. Nothing else to do, so I might as well stream again. It goes a lot better and a lot faster when we have more people in here, when I stay constantly busy and we're looking at everything under the sun. We looked at a lot today, but kind of fizzled out now. But you guys are on a 15-second delay, if not more. Because like you just answered me, I can hear you. I think I said that 5 minutes ago. Alright, what are we at? What are we at? What are we at? Still at 101 Bitcoin. Yep. What's up, Patrick? Time to end the stream, and he says Beam. Beam. Where's Beam? No, Beam is bullish here. This thing's moving. Beam looks good. Why do we have this here? Oh, high to the low. We're over the 786, so we're good here. This thing's gunning for the new high. Why do we have this here? Yeah, Beam is pushing right now. She's just about to break this high from back here. Over the 786, it looks good. Alright, we do have a market cap on here. Good, good, good. Good deal. So yeah, this thing looks like it's about to run up. Once it breaks over 4.5, she may spike up 75%. And then this one, the target apparently we have is a 15.6 billion market cap to 30 cents on Beam. That sound about good or no? 7.5x. But overall chart's coiled up here. Doesn't look bad. Yeah, this thing's lagging. Yeah, as long as you're over 32, 4-4 is the price to beat, and then 6-6 is your next stop. Yeah, this thing's lagging too much. All right, we're gonna end it here. Appreciate all you guys coming in here. I appreciate the super stickers, the super chats. Like I said, look out for a stream in a little while. We'll stream for a little bit in a little while. See what happens here. I'm gonna try to stop this stream without messing this up. Let's see here. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in here, everyone. I appreciate everything you guys come in here and do. And with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Good luck at everything you do in life. I'll try to see you guys in a little bit. And with that said, peace out.